In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide photos on Facebook. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, open Facebook apps, then tap on profile icon in this bottom right corner, and then tap on profile name here and swipe up for photos here, and here showing all the photos uploaded on my profile. So for example, I'm going to hide these photos, and here it is photos. Then tap on three dot menu in this top right corner, and here options open. Then tap on edit post privacy, and it's open, and here showing I'm selecting on public. That's mean all the people seeing my photos. So here is last option is only me. So if I tap here only me and tap on done, and it will hide it from people's. So that way you can hide photos on Facebook. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next